Most local businesses are still running the same tired marketing playbook from 2019: manual follow ups, generic Facebook ads, and hoping word of mouth is enough. And they are getting absolutely crushed by the few competitors who figured out something huge. AI is not just for big corporations anymore. It is the single most powerful growth tool available to small and local businesses right now in 2026. And the business owners who understand how to use it are quietly doubling and tripling their revenue, while everyone else is still boosting posts and crossing their fingers. In this video, I am going to show you the exact three-part AI growth system that local businesses are using to get more leads, convert those leads faster, and run Facebook ads that actually make money. Stay to the end because the last section is where I break down how you can either use this system in your own business or start offering it as a service and get paid every single month by local businesses in your city. Welcome back to Ace Media. I am glad you are here. If this is your first time on the channel, we cover AI technology, Facebook ad strategies, and everything that helps local businesses grow in the modern economy. Hit subscribe right now so you never miss a video like this one. Let's talk about what is actually happening right now. We are in the middle of the biggest shift in small business marketing since Facebook ads launched over a decade ago. Business owners who used to need a full marketing team to run campaigns, follow up with leads, and manage their online presence can now do all of that with a handful of AI tools and a smart workflow. The playing field has completely changed. And here is the thing: this is not about replacing people. This is about giving small business owners the same power that enterprise companies have been using for years, but now it is accessible, affordable, and incredibly fast to set up. I am going to give you the full breakdown, but first let me tease something for you. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you one specific type of local business that is absolutely perfect for this system and explain why they are willing to pay premium monthly retainers to anyone who can bring this to them. You are going to want to hear that. Now let's get into the system. I call it the three-part AI growth system for local businesses, and it works whether you own the business or you are helping businesses as a marketer or agency owner. Part 1 is AI-powered Facebook ads. This is where most local businesses either waste a ton of money or leave a ton of money on the table. Running Facebook ads without AI in 2026 is like trying to navigate a new city without GPS. You might get there eventually, but you are going to take a lot of wrong turns. Here is how AI changes that. First, you use AI to build your audience research before you spend a single dollar. Tools like ChatGPT combined with Meta's own audience insights allow you to craft hyper-specific customer avatars for any local business in under 10 minutes. You are not just targeting age and location anymore. You are building messaging that speaks directly to the exact fears, frustrations, and desires of the ideal customer for that business. Second, you use AI to write your ad copy. And I do not mean just typing a prompt and copying whatever comes out. I mean using a structured prompt framework that pulls in the business's unique value proposition, their location, their specific offer, and the emotional triggers of their audience. When you do this right, your ad copy outperforms anything a generalist copywriter would write because it is deeply personalized and locally relevant. Third, and this is where the AI tools for local business really start to shine, you use AI to analyze your ad performance and suggest optimizations. Instead of manually reading through ad reports and guessing what to change, you can paste your results into an AI prompt and get specific, actionable recommendations within seconds. This alone saves hours every single week. So now you know how to use AI to run better Facebook ads for local businesses. But the next part of the system is even more powerful because it tackles the number one reason most local business marketing fails. Part 2 is AI automated lead follow-up. Here is a stat that should shock you. Studies consistently show that over 78% of buyers go with the first business that responds to their inquiry. Not the best business, not the cheapest, the first one to respond. And most local businesses are following up manually, which means hours of delay or sometimes no follow-up at all. With an AI automation workflow, the moment a lead comes in from a Facebook ad, a website form, or even a Google search, that lead gets an immediate personalized text message or email response. We are talking within 60 seconds. The message sounds human, references what the lead was looking for, and invites them to take the next step. Whether that is booking an appointment, calling the office, or answering a quick qualifying question. Now, pay attention to this part because it is where a lot of people set this up wrong. The AI follow up sequence should not stop after one message. You want a multi step nurture flow that runs over the first 48 to 72 hours, a follow up text on day 1, an email with a customer testimonial or before and after on day 2, and a final check in message on day 3. The businesses that implement this see their lead to appointment conversion rate jump dramatically, sometimes by 40 to 60%, without spending a single extra dollar on advertising. Tools you can use to build this include GoHighLevel, which is purpose built for this kind of local business automation, combined with AI writing tools to personalize each touch point. You do not need to code anything. These platforms are drag and drop, and they connect to Facebook lead forms directly. Part 3 is AI content and reputation management. This is the long game, and it is what separates businesses that dominate their local market from those that stay stuck. Every local business needs a constant stream of content for social media, Google business profiles, and email newsletters. Without AI, this is incredibly time consuming. With AI tools for local business, you can create an entire month of content in a single afternoon. Here is a simple workflow. Take the top 5 questions your customers ask before they buy. Feed those into an AI tool along with the business name, location, and specialty. In minutes, you have 5 video script outlines, 5 social media captions, and 5 email topics. The business owner just needs to record the short video or approve the post. AI handles the heavy lifting. On the reputation side, AI can monitor Google reviews and draft personalized responses to every single review, positive or negative, within minutes of posting. This keeps the business looking active, engaged, and professional in the eyes of both customers and Google's algorithm. Now, let me give you a real-world example so this stops feeling abstract. Think about a local dental practice. They were running Facebook ads manually, following up with leads by phone 2 to 3 days after someone submitted a form, and posting on social media maybe once a week when someone had time. With this AI growth system in place, their ads became more targeted and their copy started speaking directly to parents worried about their kids' first dental visit. Their lead follow-up dropped from 48 hours to under 90 seconds, and their social content went from inconsistent to 5 posts a week with 0 extra staff time. The result was a significant increase in new patient bookings within the first 60 days. That is the power of AI tools for local business growth when you apply them as a system, not just as random tools. Now here is the section I promised you at the start. How do you turn this into income? Because here is the reality. The vast majority of local business owners know they need this, but they do not have the time, the tech comfort, or the team to set it up themselves. That is where you come in. If you can learn to set up a Facebook ad campaign with AI-generated copy, build a simple, automated follow-up sequence in a tool like GoHighLevel, and create a monthly content workflow for a business, you have a service worth anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 per month per client. And because the results are measurable and the business keeps growing, these are long-term retainer relationships, not one-time projects. The businesses that are hungriest for this right now are service businesses. Dentists, chiropractors, HVAC companies, plumbers, real estate agents, gyms, and med spas. They are all spending money on marketing, and most of them are frustrated that it is not working. You walk in with a clear system, show them the numbers, and you become indispensable. The one mistake I see people make when they try to offer AI services to local businesses is they lead with the technology. They start talking about automation workflows and AI prompts, and the business owner's eyes glaze over. Do not do that. Lead with the outcome. More booked appointments, faster lead response, more 5-star reviews, more predictable revenue. That is what local business owners care about. The AI is just how you deliver it. Let me bring this home with the 3 biggest takeaways from today. Number 1, AI tools for local business are no longer optional in 2026. The businesses using them are growing faster, spending smarter, and outpacing their competitors every single month. Number 2, the 3-part system of AI-powered Facebook ads, automated lead follow-up, and AI content creation works together as a complete growth engine. Do not just do one piece, implement all three. Number three, whether you own a local business or you want to serve local businesses, this system is your opportunity. The market is wide open and the demand is only growing. Drop a comment right now and tell me, which part of this system are you most excited to implement first? The Facebook ads, the lead automation, or the content workflow? I read every single comment and I want to know where you are starting. If this video gave you real value, smash that like button so more local business owners and marketers can find this content. It genuinely helps the channel more than you know. And subscribe to Ace Media right now. We drop AI marketing strategies every single week that are designed specifically to help local businesses grow, compete, and win. You do not want to miss what we have coming next, because in our next video we are going deep on the exact Facebook ad formula that is working for service businesses right now, complete with real numbers and real results. See you there.